Hey, it's your girl, your vegan friend, Johanna Earthly Ramos, back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you one of my delicious juice recipes. This isn't just any juice recipe. This one is kind of sweet, kind of savory, kind of spicy, completely yummy, and completely amazing for your body and your health goals. And completely gorgeous. Look at that. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, stay tuned. So you already know, before we get juicing, we have to clean our produce. I'll give you a minute. Go ahead, grab your white vinegar. Pour in 1/4 cup, and then we're gonna add our produce to give it a good bath. This recipe only has 4 ingredients, and only 2 of them need to be soaked. That's our ginger and our carrots. After a quick swirl, we're gonna let our carrots and ginger sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and get our other 2 ingredients prepped, which are garlic and oranges. Because we'll be peeling these, there was no need putting them in the water to soak. After letting the carrots and ginger sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna rinse them off, give them a good shake. We're one step closer to getting our juice going. For today's recipe, you'll need 4 oranges, 4 medium to large carrots. Carrots aren't in season right now, so I had to create 4 medium to large carrots, which basically is the entire bag. You'll also need 2 large cloves of garlic. If you don't want to run the garlic through your juicer like I am today, you can always get minced garlic and use about 1 to 2 teaspoons at the end by just adding it to your jar of juice, shaking it up, and drinking it. If you don't have an issue with textures, that's a great idea too. Finally, we'll need 2 inches of ginger. So that's 2 inches, and even though it's shaped differently, this is also 2 inches. I don't like the taste of citrus peels in my juice, so I'm gonna take the time to closely cut off the peel and the white pith of the orange, trying not to get too much of my yummy orange insides in the process. Next, I'm gonna cut just the tip of each end of my garlic clove, which makes it super easy for the skin to peel right away. Today I'm running my juice through my Nama Mama, which is my Nama Vitality Juicer. So I need to cut my oranges down a bit so that it can fit through easily. Let's get juicing. Those oranges were so juicy that juice shot out right away, so I stopped, strained that juice because there's no juice left behind in the Earthly Body's kitchen. Now I'm going to rotate my ingredients just a personal preference of mine. I feel like it helps my juicer to work more efficiently and to ensure that I get the largest yield from my ingredients. I get a lot of messages on what are my thoughts on the new Nama juicer, which is the Nama J2, and whether or not I will buy it and review it. So let's talk about that while I continue to juice. First off, I have no plans of buying the Nama J2, but if Nama Well wants to send me one to review, your girl is on board and ready. But here's the good news as to why I wouldn't buy it. It's simply because I currently have, oh wait, here's my favorite part, a moment of respect for the poor. I love that part. I have 3 of the best juicers ever in my possession right now. I shared all of them with you in my video called Don't Buy a Juicer, whether it's your first one or your next one until you watch this video. I'll link it in the description box and also in the cards up above. But this Nama Vitality, absolutely amazing, as I'm sure the Nama J2 is too. Have you seen the videos? It does look incredible. Right now, the price point is about $150 different, so just know that no matter which one of these you go with, you're going to be getting a superior juicer. Everything that we just juiced should yield you at least 16 ounces. If it does not, you definitely need to consider upgrading your juicer. You are wasting money by not getting a better quality juicer that will yield you the most juice from your produce, giving you a bigger bang for your buck. Pro tip, especially whenever I'm juicing carrots, I always strain my juice twice. Carrots are super fibrous, which in general is amazing, but just not in my juice. I like my juice to be as smooth as water. I have a little more than 16 ounces, which is perfect because I'm making this juice for my friend Jen that you met in the last video where hubby and I went to learn some couples Thai massage techniques. This is her favorite juice recipe of mine, so I wanted to make her happy. What do you know? A little bit left over for me to taste. Don't you taste your food while you cook? Okay, same premise. If you're still here with me, go down in the comments and leave my favorite color, the rainbow emoji. Let's give it a taste. Just like when you're tasting wine, you want to swirl it around the glass, look at those legs that it leaves behind, smell all the aromas of every ingredient that we put into the juice, and now finally the taste. Hopefully you believe me by now. This recipe is so yummy. All of my juices have a name. Introducing Cold Killah. I know some of y'all might be thinking, whew, Johanna, girl, this is quite the interesting blend of ingredients you're giving us here. And you're right, it's an extremely unique blend. This combination is so delicious. And let's talk about why you should be drinking this recipe. All of the ingredients we use today contain vitamins A and C, which are incredible for your immune system to stay healthy. Beta carotene, which is incredible for your skin health. Who doesn't want to have glowing skin, right? Insoluble fiber, so that this juice goes straight to your blood cells and gives you that instant boost of energy without that annoying crash later. And then the inflammation reducing and pain relieving properties of ginger, along with the antifungal and antibacterial properties of garlic. all of these ingredients together give us an amazing juice recipe that you can take if you're feeling under the weather, or for those of you that are in this for the preventative health game like your girl, drink this to keep your body healthy, to avoid getting sick. We winning. We are winning with this recipe. One of the things that I love about juicing is the totality of its giving. The juice can give to our bodies now, and the pulp can be used to produce more produce later. I'll be gifting today's pulp to my friend Jackie, who has a garden and she's composting, creating her own soil. How cool is it that the pulp from today is going to go into soil to create produce for someone tomorrow? I sure do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, be sure that you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and let me know if you'll give this recipe a go. And remember, sharing this video shows that you care about me, and it's free. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.